In this video, we'll show you how to replace the power liftgate latch on your Ford Edge. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and part of the rear door. Let's get started. To open the liftgate, we have a button down here below the license plate area. We press in on that and allow the liftgate to open. On the inside of the liftgate, we find the handle. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver, get in just behind it here. We'll start to pop it out. We can remove that. We have two 7mm screws in each of the recesses. Inside of the vehicle, at the top side of the door, we find this plastic panel. We can start to pop it out. We'll set that off to the side. Start to move down the door, and pop the rest of the trim off. On the back side of the panel, you'll find an electrical connector. We need to unplug that, and we can set the panel off to the side. Always check any terminals for corrosion or damage. To remove the latch, we have three T40 Torx bit bolts. You can reach into the back of the door. We'll pull the latch assembly out. We can go ahead and press in on this tab, pull the electrical connectors out. We have one more over here. And plug in our electrical connectors. Get the latch back into the door and line it up. Get our Torx bit screws in. Good to get all three of these in, and then you can tighten them down. We can snug those down. Get our electrical connector on the back side of our trim plugged back in. Make sure it's fully seated. Line the trim up on the door and start pushing in where each clip is. We can get the screws into the door handle. And we can get the handle trim on. Now that we have the latch installed, we need to go ahead and test the function of the door. We'll press the button to close the door. You should hear it latch. You want to make sure. If the door opens and closes properly, you're all set. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.